Hey everyone! Are you tired of dealing with unsightly skin tags or painful warts? Well, you're in luck, because today we're going to be talking about how to remove these common skin growths overnight. Whether you're looking for a quick fix for a big event, or just want to be rid of the discomfort, this video has got you covered. We'll be discussing both home remedies and over-the-counter treatments that can help you achieve smooth, clear skin. So sit back, relax, and get ready to say goodbye to skin tags and warts. And speaking of subscribing, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. We upload new content every week, and we'd love to have you as part of our community. Skin tags and warts are common skin growths that can be unsightly or uncomfortable. Although they are generally harmless, many people choose to remove them for cosmetic or practical reasons. In this video, we will discuss several methods for removing skin tags and warts overnight, including home remedies and over-the-counter treatments. However, it is important to note that while some people may see results overnight, others may take longer to see results, and some methods may not work at all. Home remedies: apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy for removing skin tags and warts. To use this method, soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and place it on the skin tag or wart. Secure the cotton ball with a bandage and leave it on overnight. Repeat this process for several nights until the skin tag or wart dries up and falls off. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antimicrobial properties that may help to remove skin tags and warts. To use this method, dilute a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil or olive oil. Apply the mixture to the skin tag or wart and cover with a bandage. Leave it on overnight and repeat until the skin tag or wart disappears. Garlic. Garlic has antifungal and antibacterial properties that may help to remove skin tags and warts. To use this method, crush a clove of garlic and apply it to the skin tag or wart. Cover the area with a bandage and leave it on overnight. Repeat this process for several nights until the skin tag or wart dries up and falls off. Duct tape. Duct tape is a simple and affordable way to remove skin tags and warts. To use this method, place a piece of duct tape over the skin tag or wart and leave it on overnight. Remove the tape in the morning and repeat this process for several days until the skin tag or wart dries up and falls off. Over-the-counter treatments. Salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a common active ingredient in over-the-counter wart and skin tag treatments. It works by removing the outer layers of skin and causing the skin tag or wart to eventually fall off. To use this method, apply a salicylic acid solution to the skin tag or wart and cover with a bandage. Leave it on overnight and repeat until the skin tag or wart disappears. Liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is a freezing agent that is often used to remove warts. To use this method, a healthcare provider will apply liquid nitrogen to the wart, causing it to freeze and eventually fall off. This method is not recommended for removing skin tags, as it can cause skin damage and scarring. Freeze off. Freeze off is a popular over-the-counter treatment for removing warts. It contains dimethyl ether and propane, which work together to freeze the wart. To use this method, follow the instructions on the product packaging and apply it to the wart. Leave it on overnight and repeat until the wart dries up and falls off. Compound W. Compound W is an over-the-counter treatment for removing warts. It contains salicylic acid, which works by removing the outer layers of skin and causing the wart to eventually fall off. To use this method, follow the instructions on the product packaging and apply it to the wart. Leave it on overnight and repeat until the wart disappears. In conclusion, skin tags and warts can be removed overnight with home remedies or over-the-counter treatments, but results may vary. It is important to consult a healthcare provider if you have any concerns about a skin growth, or if it is causing discomfort or impacting your quality of life. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful and that you're now on your way to achieving the smooth, clear skin you deserve. Remember to be patient and persistent in your approach, and to consult a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more skin care tips and tricks. Hit the subscribe button to never miss a video. New content every week. Join our community now. Thank you for watching.